sweet carrot rice milk soup casserole, or sweet carrot rice milk soup bowl, or gajar ka kheer, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the kheer recipes, and one of the most delicious of the rice soup recipes, and one of the most unique of the soup casserole recipes, and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes, and one of the most unique of the brown rice casserole recipes, and one of the most easiest to make of the milk recipes, and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. Today we're going to make carrot, sweet carrot rice soup. We have taken around 100 to 150 grams of carrot, around 200 grams of rice, brown rice, and around 50 grams of dry grapes or raisins, and 5 to 6 pods of cardamom, and around 15 grams of cashew, 10 ml of oil, let the oil get heated. Put in the raisins, salt, until the raisins become soft. Now take off the pan. And onto the plate. And salt. Until it's brown. And slowly take off the pan. cardamom. Put in the carrot juice. Sharp carrot. Put in the rice. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly sort and mix. Pour in around 250 ml of water. Mix and let the mixture boil. After putting in some of the cashew and raisins, put in 6 to 7 spoons of sugar. You can add more or less as per taste. Mix. Thoroughly mix and let this mixture boil and cook for 15 minutes. Let the water boil and let it cook for 15 minutes. Now pour in milk. And let the mixture boil. Milk while it boils and let the mixture boil. Put in the cashew and the raisins as toppings. Now the sweet carrot rice milk soup is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Carrot sweet rice milk soup casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the milk recipes and one of the most delicious of the soup casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the carrot recipes and one of the most unique of the carrot casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk soup recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.